Internet leads. What does somebody do before they submit an internet lead? What do they do?
Research.
Research. Okay, good. How much research do they usually do?
Months.
A lot.
Yeah, months. Usually 10 to 20 hours worth of research before they ever submit in the form of a lead. And they give us their first name, their last name, their email address, their phone number, after they've picked a vehicle or type of vehicle. They are pretty committed before they ever hit that submit button. They do a ton of research. They give us all the stuff. And if you listen to the average salesperson make a phone call, they call up and they go like this. Hey, do you have any questions about the car? Is there anything I can answer for you? And we have a lot of data, and we look at all these people that are untrained make the calls, and they usually start the car deal completely over, which isn't really the right thing to do.